Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text or logo from your video. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use the inshot application to remove the text or logo. So make sure that you have installed the inshot application on your phone, and after you have the inshot application installed, you can click on the video to start creating new project, and you can click on new. Okay, and you can select the video that you want to remove the text or logo, and I'm going to select this video, and after that we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and I'm going to remove the inshot watermark first. Alright, and as you can see that we are going to remove this text from the video, so we can click on the PIP option right here. Tap on the PIP, and we're going to import the same video. So this is the same video, so we can tap on it. Then we can click on these icon to fade the video like this, and we're going to use the mask option to remove this text. So you can click on mask, and I'm going to select this type of the mask like this, and click on this check mark button. Before we click on this check mark button, we're going to adjust the size of the mask like this. You can take another part of the video to cover the text, and I'm going to select this part. Okay, and after that we can click on this check mark button. Alright, and we can drag the mask to cover the logo, but wait, I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay, now the text has been removed, and we can click on this check mark button. Alright, and this is the result. And to make the result looks more natural, you can put filters or effect, and that's how basically we can remove text or logo from any video using the inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.